Hi everybody, welcome to MH Box Breakers. I am doing one box of 2019-20 The Cup. I have broken this every year, and due to the price increases of the Cup, this may be my last year to break Cup. As much fun as it is, the prices have gotten so punitive for wax. I'm a little disappointed because this box is now $1,300. There is no way we're getting the value out of this box unless we hit one of one Connor McDavid's. And the risk is now just too great for what it's worth. Just to give it a little, I got my Connor McDavid back here, 18, the Cup patch. This card cost me the same as this box. And which would you rather have? A 5 of 5 Connor McDavid Foundations patch, graded, be it only a 6, but it's the only one in existence, graded, or the box. I mean, the box is a lot of fun, but yeah, it's gotten wax prices have gotten so crazy, and you know, you could have bought it $800, and a month later it's $1,700. Well, you know, we say that's the hobby, but I think we're getting a little excessive. I'd rather buy individual cards now. I can take my money and use it better buying individual cards. So anyhow, that's just my take on it. A little disappointed that the Cup is so expensive, but everything's so expensive now, and you know, we can only hope that the prices come down in the future, but I really don't know. Anyhow, back to the break. 1920 the Cup. You've seen it broken probably on numerous channels, and this is mine. So I will be selling these cards on my site, MH Auctions and Sales. I will be posting a link down below. If you like the channel, please like, subscribe, hit the bell. I'm building a community. I want to have some giveaways. Once I hit, you know, 100, 500, 1,000, but you know, let's build the community. Now, let us crack this. I took it out of its box. I haven't cracked the tin or anything, so I just didn't want to fumble around with the box because they're so tight. I'll just add that to the tin collection over here. Get a spacer. Ready? Let's go. And I purchased these at my good friends at Collectors Books and Cards on Fairmont. I will put a link to their store in Calgary. So that you can check out what they... My goodness. Come on. There we go. Let me just do it this way. Oh, come on, box. Work with me here. There we go. I'm just going to throw a spacer on top here, like so. And then I will split out the box. Come on, pop out. You got it. There we go. Boom, extracted. Box. Done. Okay, so first card of the reveal is Brock Bosner. 18 of 249. Brock Bosner. He's having a pretty good year, actually, this year. Cards are actually in very, very good condition. I like that, that card. Now my second card, patch, E2 Luosterainen. I have to say, Cup has stepped up their patch game considerably for their rookie patches. Lots of color. You're not getting the napkin patches anymore. They are considerably better than they have been in the past. So there's my rookie patch, 105 of 249 of E2 Luosterainen. And third card in the break is, ooh, honorable numbers, nice. Tom Wilson, out of 33 of 43. Tom Wilson. And my next card is going to be, oh, nice, Rookie Foundations, Jack Hughes, 3 of 99. Wish that was the auto. 3 of 99, Jack Hughes, Rookie Foundations. Decent hit. I'll take it. Like that one. Let me just get a sleeve for him. So, no, wrong sleeve. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Where are my thick sleeves? A ton of them. Where did they go? Give me a second here. Rookie Foundations, Jack Hughes. So far that's my hit. Not totally exciting, wish it was an auto, but you know, maybe a $75 card. Next card in the hit is, oh, nice, inked insignia, Quinn Hughes. Now there we're starting to talk a little bit of money. 9 of 75, inked insignia. Fortunately, it's a manufactured patch. Not a fan of the manufactured patch, but it's I don't know why they have to manufacture patches. I mean, it's a nice card and all, but really all I have is an autograph out of 75. But it is a Quinn Hughes, so I'm not going to complain about it. Solid card. Also having a very good year for his second year. So actually I'm going to move him over here, and we'll put Jack over here in our stands. Actually, I'll move him inside here. There we go. And the final card of the break is a printing plate of Nikola Prokahorin. Rookie Masterpieces, not autographed. 101 printing plate from Ice Premiers 1920. So there you have it. I bought 2 boxes of this, but my other box is going to stay closed because honestly they're too expensive to open. This break, I mean, let's face it, I probably got about $300 of value out of a $1,300 box once everything's said and done. So yeah, and this is what I'm talking about, the hits. So that's my break, boys. Again, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's build the community. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to be getting into giveaways at the 100 mark, at the 500 mark, and we'll see what we can do. Again, here's the recap. I've got, let me get this out of the way. Garbage. So we've got my Nikola Prokahorin, Prohorkin, Nikolai Prohorkin. That's it. Okay. Rookie Masterpieces 101. Tom Wilson, right wing for the Capitals. Honorable numbers, 33 of 43. Probably about a $40, $50 card. Prohorkin's probably about a $30 to $40 card. Eetu Luostarinen, I think he was... no, they didn't give his draft year on here. But still a nice patch. 3-color patch to 249. And finally my base, or not finally, but base card, Brock Bosner. And then my 2 big hits, Jack Hughes, Rookie Foundations. And out of 99, no auto. And Quinn Hughes, 9 of 75. That auto, it's not bad. Inked insignias, manufactured patch, so out of 75. So these two, probably a couple $100. So all in all, it's about a $300 box, I would suspect, give or take, for resale. And that's why it's so maddening, is that there's no way to get the value back out of it. So you just get some nice cards, and hope you hit the big ones. Anyhow, guys, again, thanks for watching. This is Mark, MHH Brock Breaker. Keep ripping monsters. Bye for now.